What is the outer space? What is in it? This question has been posed for centuries by the best scientists, philosophers, and thinkers since the beginning of the era. In this video, I'm going to talk about outer space, and that has been back explored, and we're going to focus on the race between the United States and the Soviet Union. Later, we'll be explore a little bit of the first moon landing, then a small introduction to the basics of the stars. But we will not start yet with that. First, the most important thing, is space. Many will believe that is simply the void between planets, moons, and stars, and in a way it is. Although, thanks to certain studies, it has been proven that this void is actually full of energy, and something that we have not yet able to identify. We call this dark matter, which along with the energy of the space itself and cosmic interaction called entropy is one of the three pillars of the universe. But this part of the story I can't tell yet. Well, although you already know the basics of the space, we haven't yet started with the story of the space exploration. This story that began with the fascination of the space. This part of the story takes place thanks to the competition between the great powers of that time. This race occurred between the years
1955 to 1988.
thank you, where the powers were in a fierce competition to know which of the two could conquer the moon. This confrontation between powers caused many advances that we now able to explore. But the important thing is that competition laid the foundation for the facilities we use today, such as GPS, meteorological satellites, or surveillance satellites. This battle culminated when the United States managed to the Apollo 11 mission to the moon and this crew to plant their flag on the surface of the moon. Although we have to move on to another part of the story. Let's explore the moon, or natural satellite. It provides us with a tide, which is caused by gravity, while stabilizing the Earth's axis of rotation, which is the point which planet rotate over itself. Now, let's expand our view to the planets and make up our solar system. These are eight, although before there were more. Although the part of the story will be skipped. The important thing to know is that number and distribution of the planets maintains a fine balance that keep the entire solar system in place and turn us safe from asteroids. Now, let's focus on the central part of the solar system, the most important part that keeps us alive, the sun. Our sun is are a star, unlike another that several out in the night sky, it shines and radiates energy constantly. This energy is most known as light and heat. Although it releases more type of energy, but these other types are dangerous for our life. Fortunately, our planet protects us with this electromagnetic field that deflects these solar flares, causing that in addition to not being lost to life. This causes phenomena such as the northern lights to be generated. In Alaska, to recap, The space is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, whether planets, moon, or stars that today you can see thanks to telescopes. Also, our solar system is very special because it's the only that we know of that harbors life. In closing, my intention with this video is to encourage curiosity about the space and prepare everyone for the possibility of one day exploring it, all of us. And without anything else to say, thank you all very much for your attention. And if you have any question, you know where to find me. Thank you very much again, and see you later.